Hello everyone, I'm Professor Vaibhav Dedle from the Kekeba College of Agriculture Business Management. Today we will discuss on the topic of strategy to develop the food processing industry. There are some strategy to develop the food processing industry. They are follows. First one, contract farming, then institutional finance, then comprehensive law, fourth one, quality control, and fifth one, proper packaging. These strategies are developed the food processing. Contract farming. The contract farming allows the buyers and sellers to transact without routing through mandis. Under the contract farming, farmer can give seeds, credit, fertilizers, machineries, and technical advice so that their produce is tailor-made for the requirement of the company. There will be no middleman involved and farmers will get the predetermined sale price from the company. The farmer does not have to make trips to the mandis nor would not worry about getting seeds and credit for the farming operation. By entering into the contract, the farmers reduce the risk of fluctuating market demand and prices for their produce, and the companies reduce the risk of non-availability of raw material. Contract farming can fill the gap of lack of investment and the land improvement by supplying quality inputs, giving technical guidance and management skills. Example, Punjab has corporate farming from 15 years and success stories range from PepsiCo India in tomatoes and potatoes, the groundnut and chili, safflower in Madhya Pradesh, palm oil in Andhra Pradesh. These are the examples of contract farming. Then second strategy, institutional finance. Institutional finance means the finance raised from the financial institution other than commercial banks. These financial institutions act as an intermediary or link between savers and investors. They provide finance and financial services in areas which are outside the purview of traditional commercial banking. There are some terms of institutional finance generally consist of the following. First one, finance raised from public financial institution. Second one, finance raised from non-banking finance companies. Third one, finance provided by investment trust and mutual funds. Then comprehensive law. Comprehensive law means the including all or everything, some some things that is detailed, broad in scope and content. For example, comprehensive export means the detailed report including everything that is required. Fourth one, quality control. Quality control is a process by which entities review the quality of all factors involved in production. The ISO 9000 defines the quality control as a part of quality management focused on fulfilling the quality requirement. The continuous and consistent quality improvement is a must prerequisite for all the quality management systems. The quality improvement is a recurring process and should be repeated at regular intervals. It is an ongoing process, not a one time effort, and lasts with the life of an enterprise. Different examples across the industry have the, proved that any negligence on product quality and process improvement end up in a serious catastrophic results the company and its products. Next strategy, proper packaging. Packaging is the science, art, and technology of enclosing or protecting products for distribution, storage, sales, and use. Packaging also refers to the process of designing, evaluating, and producing packages. Packaging can be described as a coordinated system of preparing goods for transport, warehousing, logistics, sales, and end use. Packaging contains, protects, preserves, transport, informs, and sells. In many countries, It is fully integrated into government, business, institutional, industrial, and personal use. These strategies, which are developed and improve the agro-processing sector in India. Thank you friends for watching my video. Once again, thank you.